Hello guys, welcome back to AntBot DCA 001. So this is the first strategy for DCA settings that we implement, and I actually have some good results already. I'm going to show you. We already have 6 videos, okay? 6 videos. There is part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4, part 5 and part 6. So this is part 7. Okay, in the first episode I show you we top up $200 into our Binance Futures, and we actually close one position, long position, and now I actually just close my short position, because if you see here, the market actually reversed, because I told you, okay, I told you that 24K is a strong resistance level, because we tested once, we tested twice, we can even count this, right? You can see this is like a very strong resistance. The price just couldn't push beyond 24,000. okay, it rarely closed above it, and you can see we tested the third time and failed. Okay, we actually go down. So luckily, okay, luckily it hit our average price. If you look at my phone here, it went down all the way to 22,850, guys. Okay, you can see right there. And if you look at our short position, I think in part 5. So again, in the part 5, you can go back. In the part 5, I show you live, okay, live, the proof how to rescue your floating loss with proper averaging or proper covering. Okay, go watch it, guys. This is like perfect example and perfect timing to show you live. Okay, you can see the entry price here from 22,726. After we do the averaging, our entry price goes up. Okay, for short position it goes up to 23,219. okay, it goes up to 23,219. And if you look at my phone here, it obviously already hit the break-even point and some more, so that we take the profit. Okay, I'm going to show you on the AntBot here. Let me show you my trade. Okay, because I'm still in cycle here, I didn't change to single run. You can see that we actually closed it already. Look at it, $2.74. okay, we actually closed it. You can see the bot open, bot cover, okay, and we actually take the profit at price 23,047. okay, we closed it $200 below our entry price. Okay, so that's the profit. So we test this strategy for 6 days, guys. Okay, we test this strategy for 6 days. If you look at the profit here, we test it for 6 days. If you look at my first video, you can go back. Alright guys, today, and I'm showing you this live, guys. Okay, you know, I literally show you from day one everything behind the scene, all the little tiny details. Okay, nobody goes as in depth as I do. Okay, you should be thankful. Now you can see here, I published this video on August 2nd. Okay, so we make the $2 profit right there. You can see on my phone, and actually make a spreadsheet here, and you can see day 1, day 2, day 3. Day 2 we make $4 profit. Day 3 we make almost $3. Day 4, 0, because I mentioned in episode 3 that the market is very slow, so it doesn't hit any of our average price. And then day 5, I think we close our long position in profit. And then day 6, $3. Total, we have made $13 gross profit. Okay, if you want to find out the net profit, you need to minus the Binance trading fee and the funding fee. Okay, trading fee, funding fee, and the AntBot fee. Okay, should be, you know, the easiest way to know the net profit. Okay guys, just go back to your Binance, look at your wallet, and you can see your wallet balance. Again, in the episode 1, I show you. Okay, I show you I transfer $200, right? In episode 1 here, you can see in episode 1 we have $200, and now we have $211. minus the floating loss right now is negative 0.08. So it's $12 profit and minus the AntBot fee. Okay, you can go back to your AntBot. Okay, go back to your AntBot, and then you can click on energy. After that, you can see the transaction history here, and you can see how much energy it consumed. Okay, and then you can change it to USDT. Up to you. You can check it if you want to, but I don't really care about this. Or you can see the balance. You know the math. So that's good now. What else? So now what do? If you look at the stochastic RSI, it's going to the oversold area. Now I can open a long position. I can if I want to, but I think I'm gonna wait a little, guys. Okay, I think the market might go up, but you see here, this is kind of another support level. Okay, here, this is the support level. We kind of in the middle. You know, I could open a long position here, or I could just wait. Okay, because I mentioned in part 4 here. So in part 4, I mentioned about market uncertainty, okay, which is the CPI release in August 10. Okay, if you're doing crypto, guys, technical analysis alone is useless. I'm telling you, it's useless. It doesn't respect TA. Okay, crypto market doesn't respect TA. This is not Forex. This is not stocks. All right, it have a lot to do with SEC. It has a lot to do with the economy. Okay, Elon Musk tweet, for example. So you gotta be careful with big events. Okay, you gotta be careful. Another big event is coming up, which I think tomorrow in my local time is going to be tomorrow at night, 8:30 p.m. for me. Okay, here is at 8:30 a.m. Eastern time. So we're gonna see what the figures is going to be for the consumer price index. If the figures is, I don't know what is good or bad, but again, we're gonna see the market will react based on the figures coming out tomorrow. All right, this is going to be the consumer price index for July, and it will be released on August 10th, which is tomorrow. And we're just gonna see, okay, the market could go either way. It could literally break to the downside or shoot to the sky. If I want to be safe, I will wait. I will close position. I will probably single run this right now. You know, this short position. I will go to modify. From cycle, I change to single, and then I save it. Okay, I don't want to trade. I want to wait tomorrow. I want to see how the market is going to react to the, you know, the CPI figures tomorrow. We're gonna see if we have a strong push up. Probably want to start a long position again with the same parameter that I mentioned in the first video. Okay, that the same with the first video here, but I will turn off the double opening. Okay, I will turn off double opening. Then the size multiple I will put all 2 until order number 4. Okay, so I will do the same thing again. If you haven't watched all the part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4, part 5, please watch them so that you understand what I mean. And yeah, I think this is great, guys. I think this is a big success for our strategy number 1. Okay, AntBot DCA 001. Do I continue this? Yeah, I will continue it. Okay, but I will wait. I will show you guys more result. Actually, I'm very busy, so I'm kind of lazy to make this kind of video. But again, I do believe that we do need to keep an eye on the market, guys, because in the past I told you that we don't really need to watch the market, but you know, I was wrong. Actually, we do need to watch the market, especially if we don't have big capital. We gotta watch the market at least once a day, and also know the important dates. Okay, the important dates like CPI release, Elon Musk tweet, and so much more. Okay, Ethereum evolution into Ethereum 2.0, etc., etc. So yeah, the more you trade, guys, the more you will be aware, and you can literally understand this market. Okay, no kidding. So hopefully this video will show you a lot already, guys. I already show you the proof. We actually make a net profit of $11, $10 if we minus the AntBot fee, maybe $8 to $10 net profit. So it's around 5%, right? 5% return. Is that right? 5% return of our investment. So going forward, we're just gonna wait, and I will update to you with the new episode. And by the way, if you look at my long position, I already closed it. Okay, I already single run it, and I just need to wait for this short position to close as well. Okay, and you can see here our average price is 22,900. So I just need the market to hit this level here. Okay, and then this will close in profit, and then I will just wait for the CPI figures tomorrow.